Voila.
They are making lentils for lunch today. We call them kamande in the Kenyan language, maybe. So let's make lentils for lunch. So we're having it along with some rice. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the returning subscribers and for the new subscribers, welcome. And thank you so much for loving my content. So just washing them, they're already clean. Let me just put them in a cooking pot, then we just cook it right away. So we are boiling, then later on we'll make a stew from these. Ooh. It's just for the Tumi and Narayan. The good thing I love about lentils is that it takes a very short time to be ready. So it doesn't matter when you're late to prepare. It will take a really short time to be ready. Baby, give me my matchbox and move out of here. Something is boiling here. Give me my matchbox. Niraya, can I have it, please? Thank you, mommy. Can I have it? Thank you, my baby. So let's chop the ingredients that we'll be using to prepare the stew of our lentils, guys. I've already cleaned them, guys, so I'm just trying to chop them. Any baby?
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy. It's ready. So let's just make a stew. Yummy, yummy is ready. It's ready. So I just mix green pepper with the onion. Simple thing, guys. Just get flat and the raya 1 spoon. So then let's just add our carrots. The onions and the green pepper is ready. Look at that, guys. So time to add my tomatoes. Looking very yummy. Add our salt. No, baby, no. Here, no. Very hot motor. Motor, choma. Motor. Now, let's add our lentils, guys. Rather commanding. Oh, no, baby. Careful, mommy. Move, move.
Wow.
So let's simmer for about 5 minutes. Then we add our coriander leaves. Our stew will be ready. Then later on, I'll prepare my vegetable rice. I really love vegetable rice. Baby, move, mommy. Move, move. And this is really good for babies, by the way. Very good, very nutritious, very rich in proteins. Proteins, yes. Will you enjoy this, mommy? Naraya, it's yummy. Move, 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 move. Move, 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 move. Let's reduce the heat. Move! I don't have hands here, mommy. Move! What are you eating? Look at that, guys. It looks so delicious. So I'm just adding my coriander leaves. Look at that. Very yummy. And I'll prepare my rice. My vegetable rice. Yes. So you can try this dish. You can try cooking the eat because it's so easy to prepare. And it takes less time to be ready.
Yummy.
So, yummy, yummy, mommy. It's yummy. Good girl. So move, mommy. You're not supposed to be here, mommy. Move. Have you seen it's yummy? Okay, I'll give you. Wait. Okay. Thank you, baby, for helping mommy. Thank you for helping mommy. Okay. And this is our meal, guys. Look at that. It's looking yummy. What is it, mommy? Akiniraya, what are you doing?
Nyanya.
You want nyanya? Okay, let's go and eat. Serving the food. We're going to eat. And avocado is a must, guys. Look at that. So let's enjoy our meal, guys. Yummy. It's yummy. So tell people bye and thank you so much for watching our video. Tell people bye. Bye. Tell people to see you on our next video. Okay, have it. She really loves avocado. Avocados. So thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye. Bye. Good girl.